Hi, today in front of me a Cat S75 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC option on this device. So we should first launch the settings application, then tap to connected devices section. Click to connection preferences and you'll see here NFC option. So just to activate NFC or to turn it off, we should use the switcher. When NFC option is activated, you could switch the contactless payment, the default payment application if you get another one, or to use default always, or expect when another payment app is open. So also you could make it by another way. Just open the control panel and find somewhere here NFC option. If you don't see this icon here, just click here to this edit icon, scroll down. You will find here NFC option, hold it and drag it to the subsection to add NFC option to our notification panel. Click to go back, and now we could activate or turn off NFC from notification panel shortcuts. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.